Welcome back, guys, to my videos. Thanks again for subscribing. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, we are just touring this place here to see what is happening. So we are just touring. All right, guys. So I just show you around. We are at the bus terminal. So we want to get where the train is. Come this way, Sean. Look around over here. So you walk down the stairs there. Oh, you have to tap here. You have to tap there. We are at the bus terminal, guys. This is where we get our card. Right? And over here we put our coins there, and then we can use our card there. That's a debit or the credit. Okay. And also you can use your card at the bottom. Guys, we're looking for our destination now. So where we are at now, we are at the Kennedy. So it's a Kennedy Station, Scarborough Express, and it goes to Centennial College, Scarborough Station, to Scarborough Town Center. We are just looking where to go, guys. So these are the bus routes. These are the bus routes, guys. You see where we are coming from? 131. This is where we are coming from, guys. 131 there. 131. So we can take 133 also to go back home, or same 131 to go back home. Right? So we are just looking. So guys, we are just walking here, going down there. You want to go up the stairs? See what there is the same? Is it the same? You have the elevator over there. Okay guys, we're walking. We're just walking around. And see? We're going up the elevator now. Just want to see around the place here. Guys, we're going to show you the train. So we're going down, guys. Oh, there's a train out there, guys. Guys, I'm just showing you the train. This is a train now. Okay, it is so close to the walkway. You can see? So somebody going in the train now. It's so close to the walk. You see? It's so close here. And it's very long. It's all the way down, guys. All the way down. So you can walk on the side, go all the way down. Come, let's go, Sean. You go down there, so. You coming? Guys, that's the train. It's all waiting for everyone that is going that way. But you don't wait. If you're late, it's not going to wait though. See, it's closing up, guys. You can see? It's closing up. Oh, it's going that way. See it moving? You can see, guys? It's moving. Oh, what closing up, shot? You watch your hand them. And you can join your hands, guys. But I'm like, you with your hand there, so. I'm not going any further, Sean. And guys, this is a telephone. If you're here and you wanted to call somebody, you can use this telephone. You can see. Don't go near Shan Chan, don't go there. I'm so scared. It's so scary, guys. It's right here. That's the other train, guys. You see? This is the other train now. And guys, the train is just on time. The train is just on time, guys. You see? People coming in and out. There's another train. How many minutes you stay here? Train. This one is going to where this one is going? Oh, okay. Oh, line 2 towards Kipling. Okay, guys, this train is going towards Kipling. That's line 2. And on the other side also, you see, it's closing up, guys. It's closing. You see, it's gone now. You see, guys? That's the train going to Kipling. But I thought Kipling was that way. No, Kipling is the last stop. Oh, okay. Okay. See, guys?
So, guys, the next train will be on the other side.
The other one be on the other side? Oh, next train. Oh, okay. Okay. You see, this one just left, guys. See? That's the train line. It is so scary over there. You see, still going on. Guys, this is the other one. Don't go near Shan. It's so scary. This is the other one, guys, on the other side. Soniki, don't go near. That's so scary. Guys, the train is moving so fast. You can see, guys, it's moving so fast. Let me sit down. See people coming out. Let's see. You want to travel on the train tomorrow? Or if you come in the morning, come early in the morning. Sit here, guys. And maybe it waits like how many minutes to stay here? 2 minutes? Just 2 minutes. So if you miss this train, you'll have to wait for another one, guys. You can see? See? Close up already. You can see? It's not even 2 minutes good. Not even 2 minutes, guys. It doesn't wait here. You can see? It's gone. This one is gone. This one is going to where? Kipling also. This one goes to Kipling. Both sides? Oh. Guys, the other one is coming. Yes, the sound is heavy. The engine is very heavy. I'm just showing you. You see? That's the other one. You can see, guys? This is so long. So what we plan to do tomorrow, we're going to take the train tomorrow morning. So this is towards this is towards Kennedy where we are now.
Yes.
This is Kennedy.
This
Okay.
is the public.
This is Kennedy. Let's see, guys. So we are at Kennedy, and this train now is going toward Kipling also. So 2 goes towards Kipling, and the next 2 go to the other side of Kipling. And it's Kipling. It's Kipling. You can see. And it's a TTC bus company also. Guys, another one is coming. So 2 is on the track. 2 is on the track now, guys. 2 is on the track, guys. This is going towards where, Shan? Oh, this is Oh, this is at Kennedy now because we are at Kennedy and it says to Kennedy. Okay. You can see, guys. You can see people coming out of the train, coming from work, going to work. You can see. So a train, it doesn't wait that long. It doesn't wait long, guys. Maybe about a minute or two. As soon as it is empty, okay, guys. So both side has on train now. So this one is ready now. This one is moving off now, guys. Oh, it's going that way.
Yes, both are going by that.
Oh,
After this one, leave this one.
I'm go that way too. Okay. You see this one leaving out now. But this one can't. This one comes this way.
Both
So
going this way.
so it go back to that way. Okay, so the other one is gone now, guys. Guys, I'm telling the truth. I don't know how this train run. Oh, because the train. Remember the train derail up on that side, so that's why it only come to Kennedy. So it doesn't pass Kennedy. Oh, guys, I see.
Actually, I read up
So
about like
all line share. So guys, people. So this one. So this one now, guys, is one more is coming, guy. One more, guys. Look at that. One more, one more, guys. And guys, you can't stand near towards the train because it's so dangerous. So we have to stay on the inner side. You see, one more train. So since we are here now, it's about five train now. So you see people are there moving back and forth. Oh, guys, this one is ready on this side now. See, this one is moving away now, guys. Going to Kipling. You can see line 2 towards Kipling. But because the train derailed maybe about here now, the train has to come here and stop. So what we're going to do, you can see, you there? And the other one on the other side is moving off now. You can see? So both sides are moving now. 1 second, let me finish this one. Guys, both sides are moving now. One is moving back and the other one is coming here. Because of the derail. Alright, so that's it, guys. Guys, we're in a store here. Also the popsicles, those are popsicles. You see? We have peanuts and some.
what kind of package do you have?
Which
Want
is...
any pack, mommy?
No, no, no.
How much is it for the pack?
Guys, we're looking at some goodies here. So guys, tomorrow we plan to come and take the train. We just gonna come and see what it is all about. So tomorrow we plan to come and take the train, guys. Look at this little birdie right in the auditorium here. Look at the bird, guys. Guys, look at the bird. I'm going to follow the bird. Look at the bird, guys. Look at the bird. Guys, look at the bird. Look at the bird, guys. It's in the closed place, you know. Bird is out. Guys, we have lots of pigeons here. Lots of pigeon. Oh, so where we going to take the bus from tomorrow? Kennedy?
If you we're going to
No,
one of the like this one of these two.
no, from Nielsen, from what?
One of these two. They take come down.
No, man, from the train. Okay, at the
They
train.
take the train.
Train. Okay. All right. Yes, we'll take one of those. Just looking up there, guys. Guys, right here, sitting down, waiting to go and take the bus. Right? But we're just having a snack. We're having beef patties. So we're waiting on the bus. 9:54 Express going to Lawrence. That's the bus driver, one of the bus driver, the red and black. Call it Jamaica, the shocking color. Guys, gonna look on the shoes. Shocking color. Jamaica, we call it shocking color. So guys, we're waiting here to get the bus on the outside. So we have to go on the other side of the road to get the bus. Oh,
I take it from take 116 from here. Go up on my
time. I know. I
You
did.
ready?
When you're ready. When you are ready, I am ready. Guys, right here waiting on the bus now. Oh, we're not going to take 130. We're going to take 130. You're going to take 133, Sean?
Who?
We're going to take 133.
You want come?
Both of them is the same stand here. 130.
133 at this one, 131 at that.
That one over there. So we're waiting on the guys, look on the buses over there. All these buses over there, you can see. All the way around. And some on this side too. All the buses, guys. This is what Canada is all about. This is what we have to take to work, to and from work, guys, if you don't have a vehicle. So I take one of this bus every morning to and from work. So guys, here comes the bus. I'm getting in the bus. Sorry. I'm gonna sit on this side. Wanna sit here? Or yes. Sorry, we're in the bus now, guys. So we are leaving from Kennedy now.
Next stop, Lawrence Avenue East. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Center Station.
Guys, we're at another bus stop here. People getting off. We have another station here. Getting off on the terminal. She said, let me show you. So then she Guys, I'm just showing you something. That is mango.
Yeah.
Have a pre-order.
Mango Graham float.
Mango Graham float.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I'm just showing you some cakes, and guys, they are very expensive. Oh, the thing is sweaty. I don't know if you can see, guys. Maybe I'm too near. You can see. Guys, look at it. This is mango float. What flavor is the green one?
Coconut.
Coconut. What flavor is this one?
Vanilla.
Oh,
And I have the brown one as the
chocolate.
mocha.
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 This is the brown one, guys. Guys, I'm in this store, in the supermarket. Look at these prices now. This is shark fish. Guys, ever eat shark? This is a shark. Shark meat. $5.25. You can see all of these are shark. Salmon. See? Salmon, guys. Salmon. All these are mackerel, but they are not salt. These are the fresh mackerel here. I'm just showing you the saltfish. Saltfish is for $17. You can see $17. This one is for $15. You can see the price? $15. This one is for $19. Guys, this is for $14. Saltfish. You can see? $14. This one is for $26, guys. You can see? $26. Guys, this is smoky herring. $6.88. And there's another one here. Let me see the price. $7.98. These are red herrings. You can see it over there. Guys, this is saltfish, but it's the chip. They break it up in small pieces. You can see $7.20 for it. They have different prices. And we have some more saltfish over here. This one is a $6.59. All these African food, saltfish. They have different price, guy. This one is for 9. This is for $10. $10, guys. They have different. It's a red herring. What kind of herring? Headless one is a red herring. Okay. And guys, this is another saltfish. This is one is for $19. Marshall. But it's boneless. I don't like them. I like my saltfish with bone in it. Also, this one is this is a different one. I'm just showing you the saltfish. This is boneless also. I don't see any price on this one. But all these that are you looking at here is saltfish. I like this one. And I like the one in the bag over there. $19.29. But I can get it at another place which is much cheaper. So guys, I must say thanks again for viewing my channels, and again thank you for subscribing to my channel. I finished. I'm walking home now. I finished my journey. I walk all the way up and down. It's my subscribers. I finished. Now I'm off the road. Now I'm going home. But I walk in the shorter part of the road, the shortcut, right, guys? That's where I am walking now. So thanks again for subscribing to my channel. And guys, remember to tell a friend, tell your auntie, tell your mother, tell your father, tell your brothers, your sisters to subscribe to my channel. And remember to click on the notification bell. So when I upload a video, then you will know. Guys, subscribe, please. And thanks again to all my subscribers and my viewers and all of those who view my channel. Thanks again. Love you. Big up yourself. You're so special. You make my day, guys. So I'm on the little road now, going home. I don't walk on the big road. I just walk on a small road. So I'm just going home now. Big up yourself. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Love you guys.